Well, hey, welcome to Vlogmas 2025. I've never done anything like this before where I decided that I was going to make a video every day. Um, it's a daunting task. And any of you creators who are trying to do a Vlogmas or anything like that know that it's a daunting task. So, 31 songs, one for every day of December. Had to pick the long month. Our first song will be Jingle Bell Rock. Now, this is going to be simple. Just me playing to you, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday season. Others, I may try to get a little more creative. We'll see what happens. That's the Jingle Bell Rock.